For millions of people across the nation today, retirement investing revolves around putting a percentage of their paycheck into what is commonly referred to as a 401k. This is something that is done with the monetary value of the dollar. That might sound like a safe bet, and many people swear by it, but one thing that isn't really considered in these modern times is the notion of inflation. Inflation is the enemy of investments because it can cause serious issues with the future. Understanding this enemy is the key to building a new foundation with something that is known as a gold 401k investment account. Before we get into the benefits of investing in bullion, it's important to understand that inflation causes monetary value of currency to drop. This is illustrated often by economics that talk about the value of a dollar. The dollar bill that you see today is not going to be worth the same in 10 years, it just won't. Rewind the clock a few decades and the value of the money that was invested back then is now worth less than it was initially. This is a common occurrence that many don't want to talk about until they are dealing with the future. Don't wait for your retirement to figure out that your money isn't valued as highly as you once thought. You may be thinking to yourself, what should I put my money in, if I want it to be valued highly in the future? And the short answer is gold. You already know about what a retirement fund is like, so why not put value into it by establishing a connection with precious metals? If you open up a gold 401k investment option, you'll be able to back your money from currency into solid gold. This standard will only escalate in value as the scarcity of precious metals continues to increase the monetary compensation that is received in exchange for the tangible commodity. Paper money is not going to have the lasting power that a limited edition item. The same is seen with rare art, comic books, media, and more. Think about it in terms of establishing tangible monetary value on something like a painting. The scarcer an artist's work is, the more expensive it becomes. Now with that in mind, you'll see why it's beneficial to invest in precious metals for your retirement. The compensation that you will receive 10, 20, or even 30 years from now could be triple to quadruple the value of your currency today, if you back it by gold. For those that are skeptical about this type of savings, consider that precious metals are universally recognized as valuable the world over. Go to any major country and you will have a trade on the table if you present a gold brick, and that's something that is not comparable with any form of paper money. Try it yourself and you'll see why many smart investors are going with this latest standard instead of other routes for the future.